Hello guys, mukbang tayo ng masa flora at ini. This is the whole fruit and this is the half. Si Lola naglalagay ng asukar. Asukar ka noo, asukar. Try with the sugar. Experiment kasi first time kong gawin to. In fairness, social, may kutsara pa. Pero sa bantay ay cut, higop-higop lang without the spoon.
Ayun.
Mayat. Manggayam. It lessens the sourness. Ano DJ sourness? Ang pagka-asim-asim.
Pero makaawis ano? Bubos ko din yung isang ganito. Ito.
Oh, vitamin C. Try with the salt also, not only sugar. I will put a little bit of salt, you see? Scientific name, I don't know. Ay, in fairness, masarap yung asukal kaysa asim. What do you think? Please write down your comments down below.